Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel again. As in my previous video, I showed you a little bit about the command prompt of Kali Linux. I showed you the basic commands of the Kali Linux. Now in this video I will show you how to add a new user to your Linux account. Go to Terminator. First check it if you are the root user or not. Type user. Check. It means you are the base user. You can create a new user. To create a new user, type sudo user add name of that person. I will give user add Aslam. Now give a password to this username. Type sudo password Aslam. Enter. It will ask you for a new password. Type your password. Retype. Password updated successfully. Now you have successfully created a new user to the Kali Linux.